Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, I'm going to teach you about the adverbs. First of all, let's define adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, where, when, how much, and with what frequency. An adverb can tell how, how quietly, peacefully, carefully, slowly, badly, closely, easily, well, fast, quickly, cheerfully, efficiently, painfully, secretly. Number second is where. The adverb tells us where: above, abroad, far, away, back, here, outside, backwards, behind, below, down, indoors, downstairs, inside, nearby, there, towards. If you look at the next column, it shows when. So if you see a word like now, that shows when. Yesterday, soon, later, tomorrow, yet, already, tonight, today, then, last month, last year. Adverb also tells us about how much something, quite, fairly, to, enormously, entirely, very, extremely, rather, almost, absolutely, just, barely, completely, enough, deeply, enormously, and fully. And then how often. Adverbs tells us about how often. Always, sometimes, often, frequently, normally, generally, usually, occasionally, seldom, hardly, ever, and never. I hope this lecture is useful for you, and I hope you will never ever misuse adverb, and you will also be able to recognize adverb in a sentences. One thing that I would like to touch upon is that most of the adverbs are being made, are made from adding ly to adjective, just like quite. Quite is adjective, so quietly is adverb. बहुत सारे adverbs जो है वो ly से बनते हैं adjective के साथ ly लगा के, लेकिन exceptional cases is always there. So ये hard and fast rule नहीं है. ऐसे भी adverbs हैं जैसे कि enough है जिसमें कोई ly नहीं है, that is an exceptional case. So adverb जो है उर्दू में मैं simply बता रहा हूँ कि आपको कैसे, कहाँ, कब, कितने और कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी बता रहा है. जब भी कोई भी वर्ड आपको ये चीज़ बता रहा है, इसका मतलब है दिस इज एडवर्ब. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs up and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for such informative videos. Bye.